Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. The channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. In this 16th video we will focus on how to hold politicians accountable for bad performance. There are several ways to hold politicians accountable for bad performance. Here are some effective ways to do so. 1. Public scrutiny. One of the most effective ways to hold politicians accountable is to shine a light on their actions and hold them up to public scrutiny. This can involve investigating and reporting on their activities, using social media and other platforms to share information, and engaging with the media to ensure that their actions are widely known. 2. Petitions and protests. Citizens can organize petitions and protests to express their dissatisfaction with politicians who they believe are underperforming or acting against their interests. This can create pressure on politicians to respond to the concerns of their constituents and take action to address the issues raised. 3. Voting. Elections are the ultimate way to hold politicians accountable. Citizens can use their votes to support politicians who they believe are performing well and reject those who are not. This sends a clear message to politicians about what their constituents expect from them and can lead to changes in behavior and policies. 4. Legal action. In some cases, it may be possible to take legal action against politicians who are engaging in corrupt or illegal activities. This can involve reporting them to law enforcement agencies or filing lawsuits against them to hold them accountable for their actions. 5. Public pressure. Citizens can use their collective power to put pressure on politicians who are not performing well. This can involve contacting their elected representatives directly, organizing letter-writing campaigns, or engaging in social media campaigns to express their concerns and demand action. 6. Organize grassroots campaigns. Citizens can organize grassroots campaigns to bring attention to specific issues and hold politicians accountable for their actions. This can include organizing protest rallies or other forms of public activism. 7. Use social media. Social media can be a powerful tool for holding politicians accountable. Citizens can use social media to share information, express their opinions, and put pressure on politicians to take action on important issues. 8. Attend public meetings. Citizens can attend public meetings, such as town hall meetings or public hearings, to voice their concerns and ask questions of the elected officials. This can put pressure on politicians to be more accountable and transparent in their decision-making. 9. Stay informed. It is important to stay informed about the actions of politicians, including their voting records, speeches, and public statements. This can help citizens evaluate the performance of politicians and hold them accountable for their actions. By using these methods, citizens can hold politicians accountable for their actions and ensure that they are acting in the best interests of their constituents. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.